The dark side of AI, 7 risks that could transform the world. Artificial intelligence. Some say it's the greatest invention since electricity. Others say it could be the last invention we ever make. Today, we're diving into the dark side of AI, 7 risks that could completely transform our world and not necessarily for the better. 1. The job apocalypse. Let's start with the one everyone's talking about, jobs. Imagine waking up one day and realizing your role has been replaced, not by another person, but by an algorithm or a robot. From coders to voice actors to graphic designers, many careers are already being disrupted. And while some dream about a world where AI does all the work and humans enjoy endless leisure, the truth is, we're nowhere close to that. Right now, what's real is uncertainty, layoffs, and governments struggling to figure out how to respond. 2. AI's environmental toll. AI might be digital, but its footprint is massive. Behind every chatbot, every image generator, there are data centers guzzling electricity, consuming water, and emitting pollution at levels comparable to entire countries. Supporters say AI could eventually help us solve environmental problems, but for now, the cost to the planet is very real, and it's happening today. 3. Total surveillance. Now, let's talk privacy, or rather, the loss of it. AI thrives on data, and that means learning everything about us, where we go, what we say, how we work, even how we think. With AI-powered cameras in streets, workplaces, and even homes, the line between security and surveillance gets thinner every day. The scary part? We may be building a world where nowhere is truly private anymore. 4. Weaponization of AI. This one feels straight out of science fiction, but it's already happening. Robot dogs used in war zones. Autonomous weapons that can track and fire with minimal human input. And that's just scratching the surface. From killer drones to AI-driven cyber attacks capable of shutting down entire cities, the future of warfare is evolving, and it's terrifying. 5. The creativity crisis. Artists, writers, and musicians are raising the alarm. Why? Because AI is learning from their work, without credit, without consent, and without compensation. Entire careers built on creativity could be devalued if AI systems continue to exploit intellectual property unchecked. And while legal battles are heating up, the fight for human creativity is just beginning. 6. Misinformation on steroids. If you thought fake news was bad, AI takes it to another level. Deepfake presidents making speeches that never happened. Conspiracy theories designed to go viral in seconds. AI doesn't just spread misinformation, it personalizes it, locking people into echo chambers that fuel division and extremism. The danger here isn't just false content, it's the erosion of trust itself. 7. Runaway AI. And finally, the big one. What if AI doesn't just serve us, but outgrows us? For decades, movies have warned us. Terminator, The Matrix, 2001, A Space Odyssey. But here's the thing. Leading AI researchers are taking this seriously. They worry about a future where AI evolves in ways we can't predict or control. Maybe it's far off, maybe it's closer than we think, but it's a risk humanity can't afford to ignore.